Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pinpointing exactly what you need and who controls it. First, identify the composition and the specific sound recording owner. Rights can be split. Next, state your intended use in detail, length, platform, territory, and whether it's commercial. Once done, prepare a concise request packet with timestamps, file formats, expected audience size, and release dates. This reduces back and forth and speeds approvals. Make sure to document every contact and keep a single spreadsheet or email thread for clarity. You now move into negotiation and contracting. Contact the composition publisher for a sync license and the label for a master license, if applicable. Ask for written terms that cover duration, territory, exclusivity, fees, and indemnity. If direct negotiations stall, use established licensing platforms or performing rights organizations to locate rights owners and generate offers. Once you receive terms, compare costs against your budget and get legal or experienced help to spot problematic clauses. Sign only after you fully understand usage limits and renewals. Finish by embedding license compliance into your workflow. Implement the music with exact timestamps and include license metadata in the project files and platform descriptions. Archive signed agreements, invoices, and communications in an accessible folder. Once live, monitor for automated content ID claims. If one appears, promptly submit the signed license and payment proof to the platform and contact the rights holder to correct the record. If issues persist, escalate with platform dispute channels and supply the same documentation until the claim is removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.